Hi students, today in our class we are going to study about the developmental measures for the upliftment of scheduled caste. Let's start our class. The first measure for the development of scheduled caste is appointment of National Commission for the Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes. A National Commission for the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes has been set up by the central government of India to safeguard the interest of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. It functions as an advisory body on the issues and policies related to the development of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The next is the educational opportunities. Special provisions have been made in this regard for the education, like a free education system, free distribution of books, uniforms, and giving scholarships, educational loans, and other facilities like providing midday meals, hostel facility, and reserving the seats for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in all government and aided institutions for the improvement or development of education of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The next is the expansion of economic opportunities. One of the measure for the upliftment of scheduled caste, government has taken up economic programs also for the benefit of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Like a landless scheduled caste laborers are allotted lands, and land reforms have been undertaken to bring benefit of land ownership for them, and especially for poor scheduled caste farmers are supplied with seeds, agriculture implements, and fertilizers, pesticides, interest-free loans also provided to improve their economic condition, and subsidies for developing dairy farming, poultry, animal husbandry, handicraft, spinning and weaving. These all provided for the improvement of provide economic opportunities, their financial condition to improve. And the next is the expansion of employment opportunities and reservation. In order to enhance the economic position of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, the constitution has provided for the reservation in services, and also reservation exists in all this for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The age relaxation, and concessions such as age relaxation, age limit, and the relaxation of qualification also provided. It helps provide an expansion of employment opportunities and reservation for the scheduled caste to motivate their interest. Or the next is the upliftment of scheduled caste through the upliftment of scheduled caste through 5-year plans. The welfare of scheduled caste has been given special attention in 5-year plan. The central government sponsored a comprehensive 3 strategies or 3 measures for the development of scheduled caste. So which are those means? The first is special central assistance, means SCA, in short form, special central assistance. The main purpose is this scheme is to provide additional assistance to the state from the central government to help the economic advance, or economic main thing is economic development of the maximum possible number of scheduled caste families living in below poverty line, especially for the scheduled caste people who live in below poverty line. The next is SCP, special component plan. Its main objectives is this plan is to assist the scheduled caste families to improve their income, means providing job opportunities. The next is SCDC, full form is Scheduled Caste Development Corporation provide money and loan assistance to scheduled caste families to help to increase their economically, financially, and the flow of funds from financial institutions to scheduled caste families. Means this scheme provide loans for the scheduled caste families to raise their economic condition. This cooperation established in the states are expected to act as an interface between the scheduled caste families and financial institutions, including banks also. So these are the measures for the development of scheduled caste. Hope you understand. Thanks for listening.